So welcome back standard 9. Now we are in real numbers. This is our lecture number 9. In the last video in section 8 we have completed exercise 2.4. Now we are going in exercise 2.5. So question 1, FEO means find the value of. Number second I will solve 4 minus 9. Solution. Modulus of 4 minus 9 is equal to modulus of 4 minus 9. Bigger number is 9, its sign is minus. So 9 minus 4 will be 5 and the bigger number sign. And that is equal to, if it is in the modulus, this negative will turn to positive. So what is modulus? If suppose it is minus x, outside the modulus it will be x. If it is x, then it is x, no doubt. So what is the absolute value? Is not the negative. Say suppose I ask you draw a segment of minus 3 centimeter. Is it possible? Minus 3 centimeter? No. You will draw the segment of 3 centimeter only. And you will say it is minus 3 centimeter. This is the same meaning. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5 and modulus of negative number is positive. Modulus means the absolute value. Third one, modulus 7 into modulus of minus 4. Solution will be, this I am going to do directly, modulus of 7 as it is into modulus of this will be, so I will remove this sign. So if I remove this modulus sign, it will be 7 into, if I remove this, then it will be 4 and 7 4 the 28. This is the answer for you. Exercise for you. Some homework I will give you. Modulus of minus 11 plus 5 A. B of B minus 13 plus 13 and C will be modulus of minus 3 minus 5. And D example, this is the homework for you. Modulus of minus 3 minus modulus of minus 5. So these examples you have to solve depending on this. Now question number 2. I am rubbing this. This was question number 1. Question 2. Solve. In that the first one, 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. How to solve this? We will go step by step. First step you have written solution. First step, first of all you will write. Okay, I will write it. 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. This is the question. Therefore, now I will remove this modulus sign. I know that this is either positive or negative. So 3x minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 1. For every sum, this is the first step. Therefore, 3x minus 5 is equal to this plus 1 or 3x minus 5 is equal to this sign now minus 1. Such these are the two values of this. Therefore, now one by one I will shift the number over there. Either to shift these 3 or 5, that we have to judge. I will shift definitely this 5 because it is alone. Those which are alone numbers will be shifted first. So this 3x will keep as it is. This is 1. If I am shifting this here, it will become plus 5. Or 3x is equal to this minus 1. Now I am shifting this here, it will become plus 5. Therefore, 3x is equal to 1 plus 5 will be 6. Or 3x is equal to, this is opposite sign. If there are opposite signs, then we have to do the subtraction. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. And the bigger number sign, bigger number is 5. Its sign is plus. So plus 4. Therefore, x is equal to, now I am shifting this 3 on that side. This 3 is here into. Here it will become upon 6 upon 3. Or x is equal to, this also it is into, this will become upon. Therefore, this division is possible. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 upon 3. This is the answer what you want. Solve means find the answer. So here you will write answer. I will take the next sum. Third one I will take. Third sum. Eight minus x upon 2. This is in modulus. Is equal to 5. Now how to solve this? First of all, solution I will write this question as it is. 8 minus x upon 2 its modulus is equal to 5. Now I will remove this sign. 8 minus x upon 2. If I remove this sign, this will become plus or minus 5. Therefore, now I have to shift one by one. If suppose I think of shifting this 8, it is not possible because for both of them it is upon here. So definitely this 2 is single. Shift that on that side. Here it is upon, it will become into. But first of all, we will make the two separate equations. 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5 or 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, now this I will shift. This is upon, it will become into. 8 minus x is equal to 5 into 2 or 8 minus x is equal to minus 5 into 2. This 2 has become into. Therefore, 8 minus x is equal to 10 or 8 minus x is equal to 5 to the 10 and sign is minus. Now, which is the single one? I don't want to touch this variable. I am going to remove this 8 from here. 8 here it is plus, on this side it is plus. So there it will become minus, and what will remain here? Minus x will remain here. Only 8 is shifting. 10. This has come, here it will become minus 8. Or here also same way, minus x will remain here. Here it is minus 10. And now bring this here, it is plus, here it will become minus 8. Therefore, minus x is equal to 10 minus 8, 2. Or minus x is equal to, now this is also minus, this is also minus, so minus 10 and minus 8, how many? Minus 18. Don't say that minus 8, minus plus. Minus 10 into minus 8, then it is minus into minus plus and 80. But it is not into, it is just simply the addition or subtraction. So minus 10 and this minus 8, that will become minus 18. Therefore, now I want the value of the variable x. but it is negative. Change the sign. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, or here also x is equal to 18. This minus change. It has become plus. Now this is plus, it will become minus. Here it is minus, become plus, minus, plus, changing the signs. So answer, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 18.
Hope that you have understood.
One more sum, that also I want to do it for you. The fourth one. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. Solution. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. The question I have taken. Now how to solve? What is the first step? Remove this and make it plus minus. Therefore, 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to plus or minus 5. Now separate it. Therefore, 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5, or 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, now wish to shift. This is single. These are two together. X and 4, these are together. I won't touch them immediately. I will shift this first. Whoever is single, shift that. This is single, shift it. So here it will remain x upon 4 is equal to this 5, and this will become minus 5. Or here also x upon 4 is equal to this minus 5, and this will become minus. So minus 5. Therefore, x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. Or x upon 4 is equal to, now you can tell me minus 5 and minus 5, how much it will be? It will be minus 10. Therefore, now this is upon, it will become into. So x is equal to 0 into 4, or x is equal to minus 10 into 4. Because this is upon, on that side it will become into. Therefore, x is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 40. So this is the answer. I shall give you some homework for you on this. So I am rubbing this. Take a homework for this now. Modulus of 3 into bracket x plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 7 upon 2. This is first. Next will be x upon 2 plus 7 is equal to minus 3 by 2. C, x plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 by 2. See that these are two different sums. D, 3x plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 2. Now these sums you will solve. Take the help of what I have taught in the video and accordingly solve. So here this I think the exercise is over. Then after this we will go in the problem set. Some difficult sums we will see from the problem set, and then we will conclude the lesson. So another 1 or 2 videos and the lesson will be over. Your speed you maintain with me. Your speed is very less. Be fast. complete all the videos whichever are done. I have completed 2 lessons nearly, and you are still lagging in the first lesson. You are not still completed your sets also. So do that well. Okay, see you then in the next video.